02 Trailblazer, lean code, and a P0305. There's a Trailblazer relative compression test, intake pulse, and number 1 sync. Okay, now that we made sure the engine itself is fine, now we're doing voltage drop on the coils to find a faulty coil. I have that set up with my positive lead at the positive on the battery, and my negative lead backprobed at the coil feed. We're using just voltage drop on coil number 1, since they share all the feed. You can actually see 5 is after 1 in the firing order, and it's missing. So we're just going to double check our control and our ground. We know our voltage on our feed is okay, so it's probably just a faulty coil. There are faster ways to diagnose this, but the technique is what's important, because putting an amp clamp on this vehicle is pretty impractical.